Assalamualaikum and a very good day to Sasuke and my fellow classmates. Today we will present the MPC 523 Applied Electronic and Microprocessor Arduino mini project. After brainstorming some ideas, our team 1, has decided to make an automated folding cloth machine as our product. Next, I will introduce Team 1 team members. With the code 001 is Adri bin Azli as our programmer. With the code 002 is Fatimi Al-Amin as our designer. With the code 003 is Muhammad Shakirin as our programmer. With the code 004 is Shahrul Ahmed as our designer. And with the code 005 is me as the group secretary.
Our video consists of introduction, problem statement, objective, methodology, coding, result, discussion, and also last is the conclusion.
What is our product? Our product is an automated machine that folds clothes efficiently by using folding base the board as the folding mechanism. As you can see in the picture, these are the features of our folding machine. Basically, our product is made of boards and hinge. As you can see in the picture, we circle the small box attached to our product. That is where we put all the wirings, the circuit, and the electronic devices that we use.
Okey tak?
Okey, lu tengok baju aku tadi kena lipat ni sekarang. Dah tak ada masa.
Ya, aku rasa macam tu juga. Aku rasa kita kena buat something
Something. Oh, maybe kita boleh buat lah automatic machine folding kot. Tapi pakai apa?
Aku rasa kita pakai Arduino Uno.
Boleh ke? Jom.
Now, I will talk about the objective of our product. The first objective of our product is to save the user's energy, as our machine will automatically fold the clothes. The second objective is to store and fold the clothes neatly with only one folding pattern. The third objective is reducing manual labor, as only one person needed to use the machine.
Methodology consists of components and description, electronic components, hardware, components cost, and also is the circuit diagram.
The electronic components. First of all is the Arduino Uno that we use as the microcontroller. Next, we also have jumper wire. There are 3 types of jumper wire: male to male, female to female, and male to female. In our product, we use servo motor as a controller of the movement of this machine. Next, we have this switch to turn on or off the electric current. We also have the breadboard as our simple circuit. We use LED and buzzer to detect current flow. As our main source of electric, we use the battery, and we also can use power bank as alternative. Last is the resistor we use to limit the electric current. It is to provide protection against overvoltage and overcurrent. Listed in this slide is the hardware components that we use. Now moving to the components cost. Listed here is the prices of the electronic devices that we use. Listed in this slide is the price of the hardware component that we use. After calculating, the total cost of electronic component that we use is RM122.60. For hardware, we use RM106.30. So the overall total cost is RM228.90.
So this is the schematic diagram of our system, which is automated folding machine. Alright, next is our circuit diagram of our project, which is we use Arduino Uno, switch, servo motor, buzzer, 5 LED and resistor, and also all in all we use 5 servo motor to operate the folding machine. This is our full circuit. Next is our attachment, which is first we attach ground and 5 volt to the breadboard, and this is our input as we attach the input to the breadboard, which is input 3 for 5, 6 and 7 we use for 5 LEDs. The input is input 8 we use for switch, input 2, 9, 10, 11 and 12 we use for 5 servo motors that we have attached, and lastly we use input 13 for a buzzer. And as you can see here, this is our full circuit that we have already attached the components and also the wire to the input and output. As for the coding, firstly we have to include the library of the servo motor, as we use servo motors, and we have to name the servo motors variable name, which is servo motor 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, and we have to initialize the buzzer, the switch and also the LED pin at each of the attachment, and also we have to define the initialized position of the servo motors itself. Now, for the void setup, we have to declare where we're going to attach the servo motor, the LED pin, and also the buzzer to their attachment of the Arduino Uno port, which is as for the example, as for the servo motor one, I attached the 9 port, so I have to declare where I put that. Now for buzzer and LED, we use it as an output, as the buzzer can generate sound and LED can light the bulb. But the switch, we use it for the input. So this is the part where we have to very careful on that, because this is the part where the real program is running. So right now, I mostly use for and if function in our coding, and as you can see here, I play on the LED and also the buzzer at the first 3 seconds, and the buzzer will beep 3 times, and the motor will run forward and backward for 158 degree, and the same goes to another 4 servo motor, as it will go forward and backward to the degree that I have set, and that's it until the end, and the buzzer will beep for 1 time. And lastly, this is how our program works in Tinkercad software. As you can see here, I've already shown to you how our program works to our components.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Now we go to the discussion part. So discussion part has pros and cons, but now I want to focus on the pros first. So as we can see, our project promotes sustainability because it's using the recyclable items such as cardboard and steel. And not only that, it also can greatly impact in our health in terms of reducing the physical strain, and also like it is time saving in terms of folding the laundry. And not only that, the presentation of our folding is also great in terms of consistency in folding quality, and it also can increasing the productivity and efficiency, as we can focus more on important tasks rather than focusing on folding the laundry. Okay, now we go to the cons part. Our project is only limited to lightweight clothes, as the heavier clothes may pose a bit of challenge for the folding mechanism. Not only that, our project is also costly because of the expensive Arduino components that we are using in our project. But don't worry about that, we are trying to find another way to reducing the overall cost without any compromising the quality stuff. About the space limitation, our project is a bit big, so it is a bit hard for us to move from one point to another point. Last but not least, our project required a bit of regular maintenance, as it is necessary to maintain this because to ensure optimal performance to the folding mechanism.
Its recommendation that can be made in the future: first, use more servo motor, as it can lift more heavier clothes. Then can use 360-degree continuous servo motor known as black servo motor. The third recommendation is use solid material such as light wood to prevent it from broken apart. The last recommendation that we suggest is design a hydraulic arm to ensure it will lift the material without problem. Before closing our presentation, the conclusion of this product is the clothes can be neatly stored as it folded consistently without wasting users' time and energy. That's all from us.
That's all from us. Thank you for your attention and bye bye.